no, I wasn't the first one here.
Parkway Expressway or whatever. You know how there's like that turn to the right before you hit Spring, whatever street that is, where you kind of veer off to the right. Well, he's just stopped in my fucking lane because he wants to get over and there's a long line, but instead of like getting over when he should have, he's just in the lane blocking everybody. Almost. Running the red light, red SUV. Well, that's like in the city, just in this 1 mile, going from this hood Aldi home, I've seen 5 cars run red lights. Yeah, and it's not even a mile distance from my house. It's like 0.8 miles.
Fucking running red light. Are we gonna go? That fucking asshat. Okay, the fucking red hand is up, and that piece of shit's fucking jaywalking, making us all go slow. Oh look, now I'm stuck at a fucking red light again. It's totally not because of that fucking jaywalker. Fuck yo. Also, he looks like that drug dealer from earlier. I'm just... Expired paper plate 825 of 21. Expired paper plate 1120 of 21. Does anybody else find suspicious this Texas plate? They don't have stickers on their plates. Hey, WJ Handy Dad, you live in Texas. Aren't you supposed to have a fucking sticker on these or nah? You let me know. Super duper ultra mega expired paper plate on the Kia. It's so expired I can't even read it. So it's probably been on there a few years, at least. Expired paper plate on the Toyota Solaris to the left. It just turned left. No plate on the Mitsubishi Endeavor. By the way, where does one go to even purchase a Mitsubishi in the current year? Like, have you ever seen a Mitsubishi dealer? I haven't. I don't even think I saw one back when Mitsubishis were popular. Like the Mitsubishi Eclipse. It's the only Mitsubishi I've ever known to be popular. But yeah, here I am, looking at an unlicensed, unregistered, no plated, not even paper plated, Mitsubishi Endeavor. So, where does one in the U.S. go to buy a Mitsubishi? I don't know. You tell me, boys. Alright, back to my regularly scheduled music. Oh my god, I'm not a cop. Would you fucking go? Also, no fucking plate on this fucking Dodge, now that I think about it. What the fuck? Like, nobody in the city makes a complete stop at stop signs except me, and anybody in fucking front of me. I'm not a cop, you piece of shit, so fucking go. Oh, now you want to use your signal like fucking 200 feet before you need to, just like you normally would, but your ass doesn't have a plate on it. I see you know. Expired paper plate 612 to 21 on the Impala park to the right. Now he's really bet this guy's not turning. Called it. Called it. He got in the left turn lane, changed his mind. Because they always do that right there. No plate on the Ford. Expired paper plate 11/18 of 21. Expired paper plate 11/12 of 21. I don't know what the fuck that was. Someone fucking driving on the shoulder and cutting in. Plus the Impala cut me off. Like, you know, if you're gonna cut in front of me, don't hit the fucking brakes. I don't care if you get in front of me, but don't get in front of me and then hit the fucking brakes. If that's the case, you should get behind me, because I don't want to hit the brakes. No plate on the Cadillac.
That doesn't mean it's not government. And if you have a government, you're not an anarchist. So I'm sorry. Like, it's like working for a corporation.
Says enter only, not exit, asshole.
Shocked that the dealership is putting up a fight on this one.
Expired paper plate 11/13 of 21.
Jaywalk, though. CBS DFW 1121 ran the story. Brian New wrote it.
North Texas teen pays salesman $10,000 for used SUV, then dealership repossesses it, and now they're fighting over whether or not he actually bought that. Now we fill it until it starts pissing out the hole.
Speeding.
That is also
Really? There's nobody behind me. You cut me off so you can turn left. Why didn't you get behind me? See, I passed you anyway. That guy's sitting there. Party hard, douchebag. Expired paper plate on the Pimpala 0404 of 2020. Running the stop sign. Also expired license plate. So, doesn't know how a three-way flashing red stop light intersection works, and he doesn't know how license registration renewal works. Expired plate, November of 21, on the Ford Focus ahead of me. And Silverado doesn't know how to turn right from the right lane or use a signal.
there is they don't want this thing on Zoom because everybody can watch it on Zoom and people can quickly download copies of it.
Expired paper plate, 0414 of 2021.